welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. So today I've got a workout video and I am doing one for the mummies, the mummy tummy. So if you've had a child, sometimes you might find that you might have the mummy pouch, okay? So we are going to address that today. So I've got 3 workouts and you do 2 or 3 reps of this and that's all you need to do, okay? Do those very consistently for about a few weeks daily and see the results changing, okay? So without much further ado, I'm just going straight into the workout. So the first workout is the leg bolts, okay? So watch what I'm doing. So with your legs shoulder width apart, so you drop one leg to the side slowly and then bring the other one to the side as well. So do these 5 reps each, okay? I'm on number 2. And don't allow your back to arch forward, okay? Or arch up. So 3 on each side now. And 4. Slow, controlled movements, okay? And then the 5th one on each side. Okay, and then the next one is the toe tap, all right? So make sure you're aligned to your hip and then we tap 5 taps on either side. Watch that back. Watch your back as you're doing this. Make sure it's on the ground, all right? I think this is the 4th one. Fifth one, okay, and then the next one is the bridges, okay? So make sure that this comes up and then down, up, down, squeeze up. We're doing 10 of these, okay? So this is the 5th one, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and the last one. Okay, and then we go back to the first one we did. All right, so tap, tap, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and then we bring our knees up and then we do the tapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and then we bring our legs down and then we head on to the bridges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So slow, controlled movements, very intentional. 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm doing 3 reps. You can do 2 or 3 reps. I'm doing 3, okay? So we're heading over to the first one that we did, which is this one, okay? 1 is done. 5 on each side. Don't arch that back. Be very intentional. That back will want to curl. Don't allow it to. I think this is the last one. And then knees up, aligned to the hip, and then we do the tapping. 1, 5 on each side. Okay. Right. and the bridges, the final one. Okay, 3, 5, 6, and 10. Okay, so guys, you need to do this at least twice a day. You can do once a day if that's all the time you have, but ideally twice a day or even 3 times a day, and you will start to see results from that mummy tummy. So if you've had a C-section, which I did, then you might find that you would have to correct that. So I am going to do a video talking about diastasis recti, and yeah, I'll go more into the condition and other things as well. Okay, I do hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please share with other moms who also might be struggling with this, so that they can also find help from this video. It's only 3 workouts, guys, so we can do it. All right, thanks for watching.